Hello and welcome to the tutorial for the Ghost of John on Baritone Ukulele, tuned DGBE. And I always have timestamps in the description of the videos and the beginning of the videos for if you feel like you know something really well and want to skip ahead to the next part, feel free to do so. So this is the Ghost of John. I like this song a lot because there are only 2 chords and they have a cool rhythm to them. We're going to sing it in D minor, and the D minor chord for baritone ukulele is 2nd finger on the G string, 2nd fret, 3rd finger, B string, 3rd fret, 1st finger, E string, 1st fret. Make sure you're pressing down, straight down on the strings, not touching any other strings. Isn't that nice? The next chord is A minor. So we are going to move our 1st finger to the B string, 1st fret. We're going to move our 2nd finger down to the D string, staying on 2nd fret to make room for the 3rd finger, which will go on the 2nd fret of the G string, and that is A minor. And we're going to go back to D minor. So transitioning, 3rd finger, 2nd finger, 1st finger. Here's D minor. And going back to A minor. So these two fingers both move. 1st finger just moves up 1 string. Here's A minor. Ready, play it. And moving back to D minor. Ready, go. And back to A minor. Ready, go. And back to D minor. Ready, go. And back to A minor. Ready, go. Now we're going to go over the harmonic rhythm of this. It's going to be 2 beats of D, 2 beats of A, D, A, 2 beats of D. And they're all minor, so just assume everything is minor. So we're going to go 1, 2, ready, go. D, A, D, A, D. And again, D, have you seen the ghost of John? Long white bones and the rest all gone. Ooh, ooh, wouldn't it be chilly with no skin on? So that's the song. You guys got a much better singing of the song than the other ukulele group, so yay for you. Next thing we're going to do is a little bit of finger picking. So we're going to have our thumb live on the D string, 2nd finger is going to live on the G string, 3rd finger lives on B, and E has the 4th finger. And just to keep it short, I'm going to call the 3rd and 4th fingers, the middle and ring fingers, team. So these are going to be a team. So I'm going to go D minor, thumb, index, team, index, A minor, thumb, index, team, index, back to D minor, thumb, all of them, A minor, thumb, all of them, D minor, thumb, index, team. Now let's do that together again. 1, 2, ready. Start on thumb, 1, and 2, and A minor, and 2, and D minor, A minor, 1, and 2. And let's do it a little bit faster. So we're gonna go 1, and 2, and ready, go. D minor, A minor, D, A, D. Again. So let's try that with the song. I like to do a little intro of just one pattern through. 1, 2, ready, go. suggestion for one finger picking pattern. Of course, you're welcome to come up with other creative patterns, and I'd love to hear if you do. You know, send me a video on Instagram or something of you trying it out. I hope you found this video helpful, at least for learning the chords of the song, and I hope that you picked up a few finger picking ideas for yourself. Subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell if you wish to know when I post. I do a lot of different things on this channel, including ukulele stuff, but also including a lot of trumpet stuff as well. Thank you to my patrons who support this channel. If you are interested in becoming a patron and supporting this channel, I do have a link below in the description of this video. Happy playing, and until next time, stay mindful, stay musical, and stay out of trouble.